Hello kids, today we learn birds names. Let's start. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Crow. Crow means kawa. Parrot. Parrot means tota. Sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. Manna. Manna means manna. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. Peacock. Peacock means more. Hen. Hen means murgi. Duck. Duck means batak. Swan. Swan means hens. Let's repeat these birds' names. Pigeon, crow, parrot, sparrow, cuckoo, peacock, swan, duck, and hen. These are birds' names. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids.